So this is what's left after my helper Randy dug up the potatoes. Did you help? No, you were in the garage. Yeah. Well, obviously we have to do something with something here, but I can't leave it like that. There's a potato starting to grow right there. What do you think about all this? This just looks different from when you were... Doesn't it look different from when you were here last time? Hi, Patch. Hey, baby. Hi. Are you happy to be outside? I bet so. I bet you are. Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, I'm going to be trying to recuperate for a while, and so it looks like, you know, this heat wave has really killed back the lawn, which I guess is a good thing because it costs a fortune to get it mowed. Oh my gosh, that needs more water. Oh, this plant is undergoing a lot of stress. But this is putting on new growth. What? That's nice. It's just the fig tree that looks bad. It just needs to get planted in the ground so it'll be happier. Look at my moringa. A little yellowing here. That means too much water. And I've got purslane. This is tall purslane coming up in the pot with it. Because I seeded that. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. No comment on those. Okay, everyone, here's the big reveal. You probably know that both of my first two plantings of corn, the crows ate the seed. So I had this on there to protect it. And we're going to reveal what's underneath. This has not been watered in 7 days during a terrible heat wave in the 90s every day. So you see, we got some gaps, but we also got some corn. So I'm going to give this a good watering, and then I'm going to show you how the whole thing looks. Look what I just uncovered. Oh my goodness. I am covering everything next time. When you see all the gaps in my other peas, and you see this, it's like, oh my goodness, look at that. Perfect. Oh, I needed that. I really needed. Oh, I needed that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. The corn looks puny beside the peas. But at least it came up. else we got? Ah, there's the end. No, wait, hang on. Is it? Yeah, yeah. That's the end of that row. Corn goes down a little longer. Oh, okay. Wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That almost looks like grass seed. It's so tall. Well, did you know corn is a grass? Oh my goodness. I am thrilled. I'm gonna have some corn at least, and I'm going to have peas. Oh, well, that was a really nice surprise. I'm just gonna keep doing a little watering, and then I'm gonna call a short day. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at my cabbages. Aren't they pretty? This is Stonehead, which is almost like a kind of silvery, almost kind of a shiny leaf when the sun hits it. And I need to harvest onions, and I need to do watering down there, new plants, a lot of watering. So that's probably all I'm going to do today. And well, I may check in before I sign off. Now that I actually have some plants coming up in the corn, I'm going to make a more defined trench so I can run water down through it, because I've got just a little bit, just enough slope right here to not have to stand here and hold the hose the whole time and get a deep watering. I'll have to thin these out probably, but boy, I hate to. They look so good. My observations are I've had a lot of caterpillars eating on cabbage, and it looks like my onions are ready to come out. The yellow candy onions. The Egyptian spinach looks awesome considering I haven't watered it since I put it in, which was a week ago. And that is a plant that does really well in hot climates, so thankfully that looks good. Some of the calendulas shriveled up, and some of the blue spice basil didn't make it. But everything else, and most everything else made it. My peppers look okay that we planted, and there's gaps in the corn, but can't do much about that other than stick another seed in, but now I can't cover it up so that crows will get it unless I figure out how to deter the crows. And so it's just unbelievable. I took the cover back off of those peas. You saw them. The leaves were perfect. Now the leaves over there on my second planting of peas, 2 rows, bug crumpled up. So I don't know if that's aphids, I don't know what it is, but tonight, right after sunset, I'm going to come and spray the cabbages and the peas with BT and just see if that can be arrested so the plant can produce. I just wanted to give you a close-up on that little clip that I mentioned on my community page. It is right here, and the way you use these is you can hook a small tomato vine here or on this side. Thank you very much. And then you can hook it on to a bigger stem or whatever, but it's flexible and still strong enough to hold, you know, that much. So these are just tomato hooks. I'm not sure if there is another name, but it was pointed out to me that I planted if you recall, I planted 23 tomatoes. We put up a cattle panel trellis, and then I planted 23 tomatoes all along it. But the idea is not to plant anything on the other side because you want to weave the tomatoes through it. So I planted them about that far from the fence, and they should have been closer. So rather than this being a wash and me having to get bamboo poles or whatever, I just went ahead, because the plants are about that tall now, I just went ahead and kind of hooked them onto the cattle panel trellis, and hopefully they'll gently curve over and start learning, and then I can utilize the trellis to give them support. So I think I'm pretty much done for now. I'm tired, and I came out, you know, to spend about an hour, and let's just see. It is 11:10, and I was out here before 7. So thanks so much for watching my channel, following my progress here on the homestead. It's a new me. I'm going to turn over a new leaf, and I haven't decided exactly what that leaf is, but I am going to turn over a new leaf. There's a lot of stuff that's just kind of, you know, not getting any attention, needs attention, not getting it, because I'm dealing with the row crops and getting things going that provides food for this winter. I mean, these fruit trees aren't going to even fruit for years, so I got to worry about feeding myself this winter. And how am I going to preserve the cabbage? That's a real good one, because I can only eat about 1 cabbage a week, you know what I mean? So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all, and hit that like. And I'll see you in the next one.